Hello! Is your phone stuck on cable charging and fast charging suddenly stopped working? This is a common issue, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, open your phone settings and go to battery. From there, tap on charging settings. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You go to settings, yes, then scroll down a little bit, and here you can see battery. You click it, then you scroll down again, and here you have charging settings. You click on it, and here you have fast charging. It's important. As you can see, you see fast charging. Turn fast charging off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. The simple reset refreshes the charging system and often fixes the problem right away. So okay, let's turn it off. Wait about 10 seconds. Okay, it should be 10 seconds now, or maybe more. It should work. You need to check. If fast charging still doesn't activate, the next thing to check is your charging port. Over time, dust, lint, and pocket debris can build up inside the port and block proper power flow. Using a soft brush or a wooden toothpick, gently clean the port. Be careful not to use anything sharp or metal. Okay, but remember, because if you use metal or sharp, you can scratch it and break the port, and you won't be able to charge your phone at all. Okay, now let's talk about charging cable and adapter. Fast charging only works if both the cable and the adapter support the required wattage. If you are using a low power cable, an old adapter or damaged wire, your phone will default to cable charging instead of fast charging. Try using the original charger that came with your phone or a certified fast charging cable and adapter. After checking all of this, plug your phone back in and look at the charging status on the screen. If fast charging still doesn't work, test a different cable or power adapter. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get fast charging working again. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.